Welcome to another Tap Connections video tutorial. Today we'll show you how to edit your Tap profile. To begin, simply go to tapconnections.cards and enter your login information, username and password. You will be automatically redirected to your Tap profile, where you can edit any field with your most current information. Remember that the first half of your profile is your basic information or bio. Here you can update your profile photo, company, title, location, education, and even your name if needed. You can also change your profile's appearance by selecting a bright or dark theme and an accent color. Once you are done making any changes to your basic info, hit the Save button. On the second half of your profile, you can add and modify additional details like contact information, links to your social media, professional profiles and music and payment platforms. Let's say you want to change your phone number. Just tap the phone icon and you will be redirected to your phone page. Here you can add an additional phone number by tapping the Add More button, delete your current phone by tapping the Delete button, or modify your phone number by rewriting on the same field and tapping the Save button. Once you are done with this section, just tap the Close button to go back to your main profile. You can check how your profile is looking at any time by tapping the View Card button at the bottom of the screen. When you are happy with all the changes, simply hit the Log Out button to exit the editing mode or close your browser window. If you have any questions, make sure to check all our other video tutorials or contact us directly. Both options are available on our website, tapconnections.net. Thank you for watching, and remember, Tap is all you need. Tap Connections. Networking elevated.